Kingdom greetings, dear friends. God cancelled your plans to save your life. He sent you the other direction to avoid danger. He fights battles you know nothing about. His plan is better than yours. If you owe your entire life to God, thank Him with a grateful heart and say Amen. Jeremiah 29 verse 11 says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." Psalm 138 verse 8 says, "Lord will fulfill His purpose for me. Your steadfast love, O Lord, endures forever. Do not forsake the work of your hands." This verse tells us that God has a purpose for our lives and He will accomplish it. Amen. God bless you, friends. Have a blessed day and remember that God has a better plan for you.